Today I'm going to show you how to switch to plan mode in Base44 in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want Base44 to help you think through an idea before jumping into building. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Base44 and look for the AI chat area. This is where you'll usually start interacting with the assistant and entering your requests. Once you're in the AI chat area, look near the top or within the chat controls for a drop-down menu labeled Build. This drop-down is where Base44 lets you switch between different working modes. Click the drop-down that says Build. When the menu opens, you should see different options available. From that list, choose Plan. That's it. Once you select Plan, Base44 will switch into Plan mode, and you can use it in a more planning-focused way instead of Build mode. If you ever want to change it back, you can return to the same drop-down and select the mode you want again. So, to recap, find the AI chat area, click the drop-down labeled Build, and choose Plan. It only takes a moment, but now you know exactly how to do it. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.